flashlight.
What you got?
Staples.
You got staples? How many?
5.
That's only 5?
Yeah.
It's not like 500?
Picture me. A picture of me.
Alex at Cormdale Farm. Today we are solving the daffodil problem. If you watched one of our previous videos, I severely overestimated how much space I had for the 350 daffodils I bought. I only was able to get 100 or so planted and needed to figure out a permanent home for my other guys. So our solution to the problem is Eric tilled up a nice long patch on our front fence line. This is right on our road, and I thought it's a great spot because it's out of the way. I'm not going to use it for anything else, and I thought it would provide beautiful cheery color for all the people that like to drive by our farm and enjoy some first signs of spring come March. So it's nice and freshly tilled up, about 6 inches down. I'm going to sprinkle some bulb fertilizer, lay out all of my daffodils, and then get them planted. Over the last couple days, we were able to get a lot of work done outside on the farm. We spent some time Thanksgiving weekend still working on tearing down the flower field in the backyard. Once frost hit and we decided we were done, it pretty much did not become a priority because the plants were already dead. We pulled up the drip system and it was fine that the landscape fabric and plants were still there. But it's also really ugly to look at. So we finally got everyone out there. We did some good teamwork of pulling up landscape staples, getting the landscape fabric pulled up, nicely wrapped. The kids did a great job of helping us fold that landscape fabric to reuse it. We didn't get it all done. I think if memory serves, we have about 3 rows left, and those are some of our tallest flowers that I really need a little help in cutting them down before we can get the landscape fabric up. So I'd say we're 70%, maybe even 80% done back there. So that feels like good progress. We also got all the daffodils planted. That was a lot harder work than I anticipated. Eric ran the tiller down the 30-foot stretch for my about 250 daffodils, but the tiller only goes down about 3 or 4 inches, and I needed my daffodils closer to 6 inches. So we had to dig that last couple inch or two in kind of wet clay soil, which was hard, and I'm glad I had some help. But we got that all planted, which means all 350 daffodils have nice little homes for the winter. We worked on putting some mulch down over the ranunculus. I haven't had to cover them yet, but I think the nights are going to be getting cold enough here soon that I need to find my frost cloth and get that ready to put up, and talk to Eric about building some nice low tunnel hoops over them to make that process easier. But things are almost fully, completely wound down for winter time here on the farm. There are hardly any chores left, which is kind of strange that we're not going to be out here as much, but it's also for the better because it is freezing cold right now. My fingers are about numb laying out that mulch, but I'm glad I got it done because it's a nice little cozy blanket for my ranunculus. Things are looking good. Things we decorated for Christmas and the holidays, so it's nice and cozy inside. And I'm gonna go make a hot cup of tea to thaw myself out here after this little job. See you in the next video.